Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this picnic table. I used the tower game blocks from Dollar Tree, craft sticks, my hot glue gun, and I also used some E6000 as well as brown acrylic paint. Here I'm just going to go ahead and organize everything, make sure I have all the pieces that I need, and this is where I'm checking to see how big I want my table. You guys can make it bigger or smaller, but I'm laying it out first. I'm going to use the craft sticks to put it all together and hold it a little better. So now let's just glue all of our blocks together. Now I'm just gonna see how I'm gonna make the little legs for the table, and I decided to do them like a upside down V, and I'm gonna use the E6000 to hold them well, and then some hot glue to keep it more sturdy. And then I'm just gonna make sure that they do line up after this so that the table can be even. And then I'm just going to go ahead and glue them in. And I used another block to keep it a little more sturdy as well. Here I'm just going to measure out the craft sticks because I thought that the wooden blocks didn't really make it look like a nice table. So I decided to use the craft sticks to make it a little nicer. And I just measured out all of them. I used 14 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and make a line to make sure I have the right measurements, which since all sticks are different, it did end up being a little off, but I just left it like that and I went with it. Now I'm just gonna cut all of them and then I'm gonna start gluing them. This last step is optional. I decided to go ahead and paint this brown just to make it look a little more finished. But like I said, it's optional, so you guys don't have to do this step. And that's it. I also painted the bottom to this. This is just a bonus on how I decorated my little stand I got at Target for $5. I already had this wreath for about 2 years. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I also had the flowers around it, which is why you guys saw the little holes on there. But I decided to pull it all apart and put the stand on top of there just to hold it all together. And I just added the flowers after I added the stand on there. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some pumpkins that I got at Dollar Tree last year and just decorate this. I'm also gonna add a pumpkin that I made using Target Dollar Spot pumpkins, and then that's it. Just a few decorations and my centerpiece for my table is all done. And here's a few of the decorations I've put up so far. I'm still not done, but I put up these, so I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like so far. And I'll be leaving the link on how I made this wagon down below in the description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.